Hey guys, welcome back to another video. We have so much to clean today, and then we're gonna cook dinner together. So if this is the kind of content you like, please don't forget to comment, rate, and subscribe. If you haven't already, click that like button. I appreciate every like, every comment, and every single one of you guys that support my channel. So let's go ahead and get into today's video. Alright, so I'm starting now with cleaning the bathroom mirror. I always clean that first, and then I am disinfecting the entire sink area. I really thought I was better in frame, but I'm not. I'm still learning how to film better with the back camera and not the front, so forgive me for out of frame portions of this video, but here I am rubbing it down with a dry eraser, and then I'm also going in with vinegar water, and I'm also using Lysol as well, just to make sure everything is nice and clean and sanitized. Yeah, I do still have the toilet there. My daughter's potty training journey is not going as planned, but that is okay. Honestly, when the weather starts getting nicer, I'm going to do the technique that I was hoping not to have to do. But I'm just gonna let her be in her undies and let it happen. So we'll see what happens. And here I am just wiping down the windows. I did put all her toys and stuff in vinegar water just to make sure it is nice and clean, no mold, no anything like that. So yeah, don't forget to clean your stuff. They're toys mostly. I don't put anything with holes in it or anything like that. So just gotta keep her stuff nice and safe. Here I am, risking my whole eyesight, spraying it, hoping that it doesn't bounce back, hit me. Here I am surfing the floor. I do the dry surfer and then I did the wet surfer after. I did forget to film the after. Ignore how ugly my door looks. It isn't fully painted. We started it and never got to finishing it. Classic. We still need to paint all the doors, but we're gonna wait until the summertime to paint all the doors, even though we have lived in this house for 4 years and I cannot believe it. It has flown by. Alright, so I just shared in a haul video that I got these new plates, and they're actually bamboo plates. Again, I did share many times, I feel like already, but the silicone ones, if you're technically supposed to wash them with obviously soap and water, and then you're supposed to actually boil hot water with the vinegar and then dump them in there to take out any kind of like residue of soap or the taste of soap. I've been loving these, and they're actually the pillow fort. You can get these at Target. I've been loving these. I have 2 sets of these. These actually come with a little cup, and they have them in yellow and other colors. But I decided to buy the solo ones. These are $2 each. So I'm just gonna wash everything and put everything away. So yeah, I already took out the meat for dinner. I'm gonna season these in a little bit. Just get it out of the way. So let me just wash the dishes so I can have a nice clean canvas. Is it just me, or do you guys feel like we are always washing dishes? I feel like 25% of my day is washing dishes, and I hate washing dishes. I don't have a dishwasher. I believe I've said that before in my other videos, but I am the dishwasher. So honestly, by the end of the day, I don't even want any dishes in the sink, so there better not be any. That was a little aggressive. But here I am putting vinegar in a little container, and I'm going to go ahead and let those bottles soak in there. These are my daughter's plates. So here you see them soaked. And then I go ahead and do a little bit more of a deep clean. I do this at least every 2 weeks ish, for mainly like the coldest water bottles, since they are a little bit harder to clean on the inside. We only use them for water though, so that helps. I also cleaned our new coldest waters as well. I'm actually going to clean it up a little bit, and then I'll come right back. My phone needs to be charged. I didn't show you guys, but I did season it with salt, pepper, paprika, and adobo and sazon. And I'm going to put it in the oven for 1 hour. Alright, and this is dinner. I told my mom not to put beans in the rice today because my toddler does not really like the beans. Sometimes she does, but last time she kept spitting them out, and I don't feel like dealing with that, so that's hers separate, obviously. But yum yum, let's go ahead and go eat. Side note, this is disgusting. It tastes like straight up ginger, which is weird, but 1 out of 10. But this one is absolutely amazing, and I've been obsessed with it. I don't know why this one tastes so much like ginger at the end. I was trying to read to see if maybe it says it somewhere. But if I had to pick right now between the brands, just by my root beer flavor, this one's it. It's amazing. Oh, look, guys, I have to wash dishes again. In the afternoon, I actually mind a little bit less, because I can hear my daughter and my husband playing, and they sound so cute. At the end there, you kind of saw me kind of leave it there for a second. My daughter was crying for me. She was okay, just, a moment. And then I continued on washing the dishes. I actually just reminded myself that I need to pick up some more soap on Amazon before I run out. Nothing is worse than running out of dish soap when you need dish soap. Okay, no, hair soap is pretty bad too. All right, if you guys been here for a while, you guys have seen me talk about wanting to get something better for fruits. And me and my husband decided that this summer we are going to buy a lot more fruits and make sure me and him are eating it, not just our toddler. So I finally invested in this double layer storage thing. I got it on Amazon. First of all, I hate that this is how it came. It's not even taped on top, and you could see it, but whatever. I'm gonna wash it anyways. So excited. Okay, so it comes with 3 of these like plastic containers. So it comes with the 3 plastic containers, and then this part that you'll put the fruit in, and then once it is dry, like this. So you can, oh, there you go. So I am so excited about this. Way too excited, probably. And it goes right there, and then you just put the cap on it. I love that. And if you wanted to, you can also just use it like this without the little basket. So it comes with the middle size as well. So this is perfect for like strawberries. I feel like the size is perfect for strawberries. And then it comes with a little one, which is perfect for blackberries and blueberries as well. This is a big upgrade from my Dollar Tree ones. I'm gonna go ahead and go wash these though. I'm so excited. It did come with these. I don't know why. Is it for something? I don't know. So if you know why these really cute little heart things are for, let me know down below. Alright guys, I really hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Please don't forget to comment, rate, and subscribe if you haven't already. I appreciate every like, every comment, and every single subscriber. It means absolutely everything to me. If you've been here this long in the video, please go ahead and enter this emoji down below, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.